The DE Career Builder is a tool created to help your pupils explore their future world of work and discover a career path from their interests. Our AI tools help pupils discover what it would be like to work in different fields in industry. Remember, the AI Career Builder is a tool for pupils to use. Any content generated using AI may contain inaccuracies, so please always verify the content generated. Pupils can begin building their future career by selecting the AI Career Builder from the left-hand menu, or through their pupil dashboard. Here, they can start searching, or if they've created career paths before, select Saved Careers from the top menu. To start, pupils will need to choose their age, and then search for a career they have in mind. Our AI tool is equipped to find information about even the most imaginative of career ideas. Alternatively, if unsure, click Interactive Career Advisor to enter our AI-supported questionnaire. Here, pupils will be asked a selection of questions to help build the career for them. These questions may differ depending on age or past interests shared. Follow each of the instructions in the question, clicking Next or Skip to move on. Once completed, click Submit, and the Career Builder will reveal 6 different careers to explore. Pupils can select a career or edit further by scrolling to the bottom of the page and entering their own thoughts and ideas. The AI will then tailor these 6 careers to their changes. Upon selecting a career, a short description will appear with the key statistics based on that job. Pupils can also follow other careers suitable. Look at the education level, experience, and further development required to do the job. The tool can even suggest apprenticeships and career progressions available for that role, expanding further below with more information about the qualifications. Perfect for pupils with the understanding who want to ask further questions. Our accessibility tools make the information available to all, generating audio to help all understand. Once created, the career is saved to the pupil to look at and expand on another time. Alternatively, returning to the Career Builder, they can begin a new search to explore other avenues. The AI Career Builder is the perfect tool for schools looking to inspire children with the careers that they can achieve. It gives children an idea of the opportunities available to them based on their interests and ideas. We hope your children enjoy building and learning about their future career. If you need to recap any of our guide films, select from the videos available.